Hey everyone! For today's DIY, I will be making a card keepsake shadow box. It turned out even more perfect than I had imagined. I used an old shadow box I had just lying around my house. This one specifically had a slot on top. As you can see, I already used this hexagon die cut punch to cut out my cards. I did get it from Michael's for $6.97, so not that expensive. For every card, I took out one hexagon and added it to the pile. I have been collecting my cards for many years now, so I had a pretty good size pile. There are birthday, graduation, Christmas, and so many other types of cards in here. Right now, I am sorting my pile because I knew I had way too many to fit on the backboard. I sorted them into piles of most important, prettiest, colorful, and then those that didn't really matter if I used or not. So as I'm gluing each piece on, I'm picking from the different piles, depending on how I wanted it to look. Also, as you could see right there, I was going to start up at the top, but decided that working from the center out would be a better option. Make sure to not throw away your extra hexagon pieces because you will use them in a later step if you have a shadow box with a slot on the top. So clearly this was an old shadow box of mine that I had used for a different project, but with some basic Elmer's glue, I could fix it right up and use it for this one. If your shadow box has a slot on the top, this is how you can use the rest of your hexagons to just sprinkle inside. There you have it, a simple card keepsake shadow box that is very close to my heart. Well, that is all for this DIY, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time.